Hi guys, today I will show you how to send a message, how to send an email from your Google Sheets. It's a totally automatically. Uh, just you will change here status. It will automatically uh, change this status. Like I want to send an email to these column. Content, and here is a subject column, and here is a content of email. Actually here is a D column is for HTML format or not. So I will choose here no, and here I will put here content, and when you will change here little bit change on a status, like I am changing here, and when go anywhere actually it's trigger on edit your HTML. You can see here it's automatically changed as send successfully, because it's a send email, and I also received this fine email. So I will show you how to make it, and you will click here and app script. Because this script is executed on your edit yeah, I mean when you make any editing on it will automatically run. You can see here it's a script. I will also give in description, and you will implement it, and after of it you will go here in a trigger, when you will go trigger, and here is the add button, add trigger, and you can see here it's name of function and deployment. Here you will choose a last version, like here is a version 5, so I will choose here 5, and here is select event source. Here is a event source is our spreadsheet, so I will remain it's that, and here is a select event type, like you can choose any event, like on opening, on editing, on changing, or submit on a form. So here is a major use of editing. When you will place any editing or make any editing, and it will automatically run this function which is here. It's run automatically function, and it will also inform failure of notification here, failure notification setting. Occur any type of failure, it will inform you, and here you will click on a save. I have already, so I will not click here. In your case you will click here, and it's totally implemented. Now you can just copy and paste this element like this, make a script like this. Just if you found any type of problem in this, if you feel any type of problem, you can contact me, and you can also place your comment below the video.